Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we continue to deliver winners for our subscribers. Our Friday report was XOS. It opened at 28 cents and ran to 50 cents on Monday for potential gains of 78%. And then on our Monday 2 p.m. alert was NNVC. It traded from $1 and today it hit $1.43 for potential gains of 43%. We have a new report out tonight on a low float biotech trading just under 70 cents on the Nasdaq. The market cap is just over $3 million, so we could see some major fireworks in this penny stock this week. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And if you watched last night's video and played today's watch list, you also banked. The only one in the red was TENX. We had TENX, AIRE, INVO, THRX, TNON, LIFW, and SOFI. You can see how they all did. AIRE was up 103% today, the big winner. THRX up 50%. INVO up 34%. So congrats to all who watched last night's video. And again, in terms of TENX, it was in the red, but our subscribers know that I always say to play green and not red. We are not dip buying penny stocks or small caps here at InsiderFinancial.com. You want to play that momentum and ride that wave. AIRE was on watch because it's just a 5 million share float. INVO, as I said, had earnings after the bell, just a $4 million market cap, 11% of the float was short. THRX, exploring strategic alternatives, $225 million in cash and had just a $93 million market cap. TNON was just up 2.95%, but talked about this one last week. It's now up 54% in a week, consolidating. I said, guys, really needs to close, above $4 or $5, and then we could see a major explosion to 10. LIFW had up 6% again today. Had no news. It's been rallying, but the key was the CEO buy at $107. So that was the low. He caught that move and just ran all the way to 1750. So insider buying is very key, and I'm going to have more names later in the video on insider buying that you're going to want to pay attention to. SOFI was holding that trend line support. Looks like it can rally up to $8. In terms of the overall market, it was a great day for the bulls. Stocks climbed while bond yields tumbled as an unexpected inflation slowdown bolstered bets the Fed's aggressive hiking cycle is now over, and the next move will be a rate cut next year. The S&P 500 rose nearly 2%, the most since April. Tesla led gains in mega caps, and Nvidia rallied for a 10th straight session. Regional Regional banks jumped almost 6%. The Russell 2000 was the big winner, up 5.49%. Goldman Sachs Group's index of a basket of most shorted stocks beat the broader market in a sign some traders are preparing to cover bearish wagers. Two-year yields plunged over 20 basis points. The dollar fell 1.2%. While Wall Street's rally could risk further easing of financial conditions and ultimately complicate the Fed's jobs, bets on a pivot next year have increased. Fed swaps indicate the odds of another hike have fallen to almost zero, with the market pricing in a 50 basis point rate cut by July. The last of investors not convinced the Fed is done are likely throwing in the towel. The next Fed action is more likely to be a cut next summer than another rate increase. The CPI index today indicated zero inflation month over month in October, less than the 0.1% increase expected, and the 0.4% rise in September. The month's print was mainly due to falling gas prices. On a year-over-year basis, the October CPI climbs 3.2% compared with the 3.3% expected and 3.7% prior. Remember, Fed target rate is 2%. The biggest takeaway for me today was the strength in small caps. IWM was up, again, over 5%, while S&P was up just 1.94%, and QQQ was up 2.15%. Again, we're seeing a rotation. Small caps have lagged, while big cap tech has led the markets this year. So that is indeed good news, especially here at InsiderFinancial.com and those of you watching the channel, because we primarily trade small caps. Tomorrow we get U.S. retail sales, business inventories, PPI, Empire Manufacturing, target earnings before the bell, and then after the bell we get earnings from Cisco and Palo Alto Networks. In addition to the Nasdaq Biotech on our radar for tomorrow, I'm also watching MGOL. Came in with earnings after the bell. Total revenues for 3 months ended September 30th rose 948% to 1.4 million, up from 140,000. This is we've covered this earlier this year. This stock here is the Messi store. It's got the licensing agreement with Lionel Messi. Ran from $1 all the way to $3. Stock corrected big time, trading at 85 cents in the after hours. So again, this one is on watch. $1 is the major resistance. We get above there, we could really see an explosion and close this gap. Next up is EFSH, also out with news after the bell, closed at 51 cents, trading at 81 cents in the after hours. Reported a 29.8% increase in revenues to 18.8 million for Q3 2023. So again, the company attributes company that combines the attractive attributes of owning private lower middle market businesses with the liquidity and transparency of a publicly traded company today provided a business update. Gross profit was $8 million in Q3 compared to $4.9 million, a 64.9% year-over-year increase. It expanded its relationship with the nation's leading home builders, regained compliance with NYSE, completed refinancing and upsizing of $15 million revolving credit facility for its subsidiary, and expanded its subsidiary Wolo Manufacturing into India through supply chain diversification, and then it's restructured its promissory notes to non-dilutive debt instruments. So this is all positive news and why we have this one on watch tomorrow. Next up is SLDB, out with the FDA news after the bell. They announced IND clearance by the FDA for Duchenne muscular dystrophy gene therapy candidate. This is big news, and the stock is climbing in the after hours on that. Next up is three major insider buying plays that I want you to pay attention to. As I said, insider buying is key. We saw that with LIFW at $1.07. First up is ATRA. This one got a major correction, but we're getting an insider buying here. Director bought $100,000 worth at 23 cents. Another director bought 100,000 shares at 25 cents, just 25 grand. But again, here they're betting on a rebound. So, when you see directors making a bet like this, it's a sign that the bottom could be in, so pay attention to this one. EXFY, this is another one with insider buying. Stephen J. McLaughlin, he is a 10% owner. He bought $1.8 million worth at $1.82. He's got 8.1 million shares total. We're at 223, so he got the buy off this trendline support. I think we can close the gap and climb back to $3. Lastly is AEVA, major fund buying. This is a 10% owner, Brick Capital. They bought almost $15 million worth at 58 cents. They now have over 51, almost 52 million shares total of the company. So they are a major shareholder. Be watching this one here. I'm sure they're not going to sit on their hands, and they can definitely get more active and try to salvage their investment here in AEVA. As again, this has been on a downtrend here, so they're betting most likely that the bottom is in on AEVA. So put this one on your radar screen. And at InsiderFinancial.com, what we're doing here, guys, is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I've repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding a momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Tomorrow's main focus is our report on a Nasdaq Biotech penny stock that we have never covered before. This is a company that you will want to research before the bell. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos uploaded. Have a great night and trading day, traders. Bye-bye.